Guys, today we're talking dash cams. Now, in today's world we live in, whereby cameras are all around us, often used for validation and protection, a dash cam in your car isn't an unusual thing to want to have, right? Well, I've got to say, I don't know about you, but for me, I hate things stuck on my car windscreen, so the thought of a dash cam has always been a bit of a no for me. Until today, enter the FitcamX 4K dash cam. Now, this isn't your average dash cam, and you know what? I can't wait to show you why. So let's dive right in and see what makes this dash cam stand out from the crowd. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the FitcamX 4K dash cam. Now this one is labelled up Defender, and that's because this FitcamX is for a Land Rover Defender, and FitCam make their dash cams look like OEM rear view mirror shrouds or housings for specific makes and models. So like I said, this one is for the new Land Rover Defender. Now, before we get into it, FitcamX sent me this 4K dash cam to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So first up guys, let's open up the box and see what we have. Well, the first thing is a fitting tool. Now you're going to need this to safely remove your existing factory rear view mirror housing. You also get a USB-A to USB-C SD card reader. As this dash cam has a memory card for storing footage, this is going to make it easy for you to either review or download that footage to a computer or tablet. Next guys, we have the dash cam in the new rear view mirror housing, and you know what, a bit of a nice touch to help film the installation is you get this supplied mobile phone mount, and you get this kind of arm thing as well, so you could stick this onto the window and you could angle this and you just attach that to it and you could angle it to kind of film the installation. I mean, it's a nice touch, but fortunately I had another solution, so I didn't really need to use this. Then guys, we have the wiring harness and some instructions. Now, looking at the housing itself, well, although I've never really taken any notice of my rear view mirror housing, this FitcamX one looks pretty much identical, albeit that it's got a camera mounted in it and an SD card slot with included 64GB micro SD card, I might add, a power button and a camera snapshot button. Now, okay, enough of the small talk. Let's get this installed and let's take a real look at it. Now, you know what it's like, right? Those dash cams you stick on the window need powering. Yes, you can get some rechargeable ones, but you know what? The FitcamX 4K dash cam fits snugly behind your rear view mirror cover. In fact, it's so well hidden, you might even forget that it's there. So no more unsightly cables or bulky mounts cluttering up your windscreen. I do hate stuff stuck on the windscreen. Anyway, this design definitely keeps your Defender, or actually that's just because it's my car, but you know, whatever your car is that FitcamX makes one of these housings for, it makes it look clean and factory fitted fresh. And guys, don't worry about the wiring. Like I said, there's no need to cut or splice any wires. This is truly plug and play. This means you can install it yourself without worrying about damaging your car's electronics. You just need to use the supplied tool to unclip your housing, remove the power plug, which is an ignition switch supply, plug one end of the supplied power harness in the middle of the supply and connect the dash cam to the harness. I mean, it literally takes minutes. Then guys, tuck your wiring into the new housing, snap it in place, and there you go. Apart from the camera and the buttons, you would never know it's there. Now, once the hardware is installed, you should grab your phone and download the FitcamX app. From here, you can connect the phone to your dashcam's Wi-Fi, and once connected, you can view, manage, and download videos straight from your phone. I mean, imagine the worst, right? You've just had a crash. Well, instead of fiddling with a camera to try and download your footage or access it or whatever, you can quickly do this straight from your phone. It is convenience at your fingertips. Also, guys, storage is always a concern with dash cams, but the FitcamX 4K has got you covered. It uses loop recording technology, and that means when the memory card gets full, it automatically starts overwriting the oldest footage. You never have to worry about manually deleting old videos. And when there's an incident, such as a collision, there's something called a G sensor, and this kicks in and automatically locks that footage, which ensures that you don't lose any crucial evidence. Now, guys, what about the video quality, right? Because that's what really matters in a dash cam, right? It's no good recording something if the quality is rubbish. Well, the FitcamX 4K doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with an f.16 aperture lens and a CUSK sensor. Yeah, so in plain English, this means it captures super clear footage. We're talking 4K 2160p resolution at 30 frames per second. So whether you're driving in bright sunlight or pitch darkness, this camera has got you covered. The wide dynamic range technology ensures great image quality in all lighting conditions, which is crucial if you ever need to use the footage as evidence. So guys, there you have it. Fit, finish and function all in one device. This is more than just a recording device. It's a well-designed accessory that fits seamlessly with your vehicle. No more having to stick stuff on the windscreen. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can get yourself one of these at a discounted price of only £164, which is an absolute bargain. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to FitcamX for sending me this brilliant dashcam solution to review. This is now a perfect and permanent addition to my car. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.